Students, in this video, we are going to draw the Lewis structure for C2H2, which is called acetylene or ethine. Students, we know that the first principle is that we have to calculate total number of electrons. Students, total number of electrons. Students, we know that carbon is present in group 14, so every carbon atom provides 4 electrons. So 2 carbon atoms provide 8 electrons, and hydrogen is present in group 1, so it provides 1 electron. So total 2 electrons provided by hydrogen atom, total number of electrons equal to 10. Students, we have to distribute these 10 electrons between these 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen atoms. The other rule is that the less electron active atom is present in the center, and also hydrogen atoms are present outside the molecule. So we consider carbon in the center. Students, carbon, hydrogen and hydrogen. So students, first of all, to represent a single covalent bond, we place pair of electron between every carbon and hydrogen atom. Now we complete the octet for carbon. Students, we know that in this way hydrogen completes duplet, hydrogen completes duplet, but both of the carbon contain only 4 electrons. So we place a pair of electron on that carbon and pair of electron on that carbon. In this way, every carbon atom contains 6 electrons. To complete the octet, we transfer this pair of electron between this carbon and between both of these carbon atoms, but I have transferred this pair of electron between these carbon atoms. So in this way both of the carbon atoms make double covalent bond. Students, double covalent bond. In this way both of the carbon atom again contain 6 electrons. So we transfer this pair of electron again between carbon atoms. So in this way, a triple covalent bond is formed between both of these carbon atoms. And in this Lewis structure, hydrogen completes duplet and every carbon atom complete its octet. And we represent carbon, triple bond, carbon, single bond, hydrogen. And we know that students, acetylene shows sp hybridization. And students, this Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure for acetylene or ethane. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.